Lisa Schermerhorn is incredible international speaker, coach, author. She is a master practitioner of NLP. She's incredible hypnotherapist. And if you ever get the chance to experience her live, I fully recommend. I felt blessed that I was able to share a stage with Lisa in Europe and seeing what she can do for people during the live events. It was truly transformational. Her depth of knowledge, her experiences, and her insights help people to unlock their potential so they can become the best version of themselves. In the past, I've shared stages with Brian Tracy or Mary Diamond from the book The Secret. I worked with Lisa and Joe Vitale in the movie Zero Limits, so I know her work very deeply. And do yourself a favor, book a session with her or go and see her live or read her book. She can help you to rise to the next level.